I was just freezing and now I'm sweating. Hey! Welcome back to this thing that I do when I remember to do it. So today's video is going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam bag and Ipsy Glam bag Plus for the month of August 2019. Ipsy Glam bag is a $10 a month subscription, but I just got an email saying that I think starting in October they're raising their price to $12 for some reason. But you're supposed to get 5 deluxe samples and a little bag for them every month. And then the Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month, and you're supposed to get 5 full-sized beauty products. And then at the end of the video, I'll do a little try-on portion, trying to incorporate as many items from both of the bags that I can, just so we can see how they perform on the face. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing outside of our bag is a makeup brush. It has this really cute glittery handle and these 2 stones. It's the brand SL Miss Glam, and this is the Angled Eye E61. I like the coloring on it. This is the bag for the month. It's an emerald, dark green, forest green type color bag and a gold zipper. And right inside the bag, you get a little card with the list of the items in the bag as well as a description. The first thing in the bag I see is this Coco Cabana cream by Sol de Janeiro, if I'm saying that correctly. But I already own the bigger size of the other flavor of this, and I really enjoy it, so I'm excited to try this one out. The next item I see in the bag is this Adesti All Day Lip Cream in Beverly Boulevard, but it looks like a really pretty lipstick, and it says it's a creamy, moisturizing, lippy, and it glides on to coat your lips in full coverage, high impact color that lasts all day long. And this looks like a really nice color. Sometimes I feel like the nudes that I get for lipsticks in subscription boxes are either hit or miss, but I think this one is a pretty good color because it has more purple tones to it. And when they're more peachy toned, it doesn't do too well on my peachy toned skin. Kind of like washes me out, but this color looks nice. And the next item I see is it says Incredible, I'm just gonna say Incredible Jelly Shot Lip Quencher in X Revenge. What is it? Oh, it says that there's 24 karat gold specks and a flower set into it, and it's a moisture rich balm, and it has avocado oil, bran oil, and vitamin E, and they work to hydrate and repair dry or cracked lips, and we know I got that. So it does have a factory plasticky not good scent, which I usually prefer my chapsticks or lip quenchers to have. And then the last item I see in the bag is this Suva Beauty eyeshadow in Turmeric. Oh, the packaging is super cute. It's a really shimmery gold color, and it says it's easy to apply, it's opaque and water resistant. Honestly, what more could you want in an eyeshadow? It's a cream powder hybrid formula and delivers all of that and then some. Plus the gold foil shade is so fun for all your end of summer looks. You can use your finger or a damp brush and then press the eyeshadow onto your lid. So that looks fun. And let's move on to the Glam Bag Plus. This is what it looks like when you open it up, and right on top we have a card. So usually with the Glam Bag Plus, you also get a card that has a list of the items along with their descriptions and their retail prices, but for some reason this month this is the card that I got, and it has no items on it, and it's smaller than usual. It's actually the same size as the other one, and on the inside it has quotes from people. So that's weird. This is the first month that I haven't gotten a card with the description or the retail prices. So the first item I see is this Farrah brush set, and it says be beautiful, be you, and they all have these really pretty ombre handles on them. And here's the brushes close up. We have a 35 EM mini tapered brush, 65 EM mini shading brush, 15E angled brow brush, a 105E pencil brush, and the 10F concealer brush. I'm always happy to add new brushes to my collection. The next thing I see is this nail polish by the brand Sundays, and it looks like it's a pale green color, which isn't really my thing, as you can tell by my fingernails, but I could probably pass it on to somebody who would probably use it more than I would. Next thing I see is from IT Cosmetics, and it says Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer with SPF 50 and broad spectrum physical sunscreen. And it says it's clinically tested and hydrating and anti-aging with 3D Skin Flex. And this is in the color Fair. I wonder how much that is. Probably expensive. The next item I see is this HIYA Hydration Cream Mask. A rich, creamy texture softens and smooths skin, providing intense hydration and comfort. Apply once or twice a week, rinse after 3 to 5 minutes, or leave all night. It doesn't really have a scent. It's just like kind of a general lotion type scent. Okay, the last item in the box is a palette? Question mark? Yes. See, a palette by The Balm Cosmetics, and it's called In the Balm of Your Hand Greatest Hits Volume 2. This packaging is so freaking cute. It looks like it has 2 matte eyeshadows, 3 shimmers, 3 blushes, and a bronzer, but the blushes could also be used for eyeshadow. So it's kind of more of a neutral palette. This would be the time when I would give you the ultimate retail value of the box, but you see, I don't know because they didn't tell me. I'm so sorry, Edison. So yeah, let's get into the try-on portion, shall we? Let's start with this foundation. I'm super scared. So first things first, let's put on this foundation. Since I'm a foundation expert, I've decided to put it on with a sponge. I don't know if that's the right decision or not, but I guess we're gonna find out. So I guess I'm gonna pump it on my hand. I have no idea what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna do that. That seems right? Does it seem right? Oh God. This reminds me of the first time I used a beauty blender, which is in another video on my channel. But yes, oh my God, I love how this smells. It smells so good. How do I look? Do I look foundationed? Am I supposed to put this on my neck? It's a good color match, right? I don't know. Also, I wouldn't be able to tell you if this is a good foundation or not, but I don't hate the way I look. I feel like usually when I put on foundation, I hate it because I look cakey, but I don't know if I'm doing this right, but let's pretend that I am. I can still see my freckles. So I'm gonna call it medium to light coverage. Oh, but it says full coverage moisturizer. So I think because I sheared it out, it's medium, but maybe it's probably buildable, but I don't like full coverage because I like my freckles to show. But anyway, I think this is good. Cute. So now I'm going to, oh, I guess I used the bronzer in the palette, right? Guys. Before that, let me put on some Jelly Shot Lip Quencher. Lip quenching. It doesn't really leave a gloss or anything, but my lips do feel hydrated. But it does still has that plasticky scent. I like when my lip stuff smells good. This doesn't. It doesn't really have a taste either. And I just licked the foundation on my hand. So I guess I'm gonna try to bronze with this Bahama Mama bronzer from the Balm palette. I'm gonna use this brush. Does this look like a bronzing brush? Let me know in the comments if you think this looks like. Am I bronzing correctly? Don't answer that. Actually, I don't think it looks too bad. Whatever. Here's me. Bronzed. I'm gonna put on highlighter. We didn't get any highlighter. Oh, I could use this guy though. Mary Lou Manizer, aka the Luminizer. It's very subtle. Super subtle highlighter. Now I'm going to blush. Let's go with Frat Boy. Let's move on to the eyes. Let's do the 35 EM Mini Tapered Brush by Farrah Brushes. And we're gonna go into Matte Russo. So now we're gonna go in with this gold. I'm gonna use my pencil brush and just do like a gold crease type thing. Okay, I have my dampened 105E pencil brush and my Suva Beauty Turmeric eyeshadow. Cool. Other side now. Oh, this is fun. This is cool. I like this. And the fact that this is waterproof. What? Okay, I'm back with darker eyebrows and darker eyelashes. For my lips, I'm going to use the Adese New York All Day Lip Cream in Beverly Boulevard. And this is the finished look. I love it. It's so fun. It's not boring. I'm really happy with this month's Ipsy. I love the gold eyeshadow. I surprisingly actually really like the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer with SPF 50. I really like that. I don't mind the popcorny smell of this lotion. I feel like you just have to put on a little bit for it not to be overwhelming. I didn't really like the nail polish, but everything else, good job, Ipsy. If you're interested in signing up for Ipsy, I will leave a referral code down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. If you liked this video, hit it with a thumbs up. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And if you're interested in seeing any of my other unboxing videos, I'll leave some right here. And I will see you in the next video.